Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by cutting power and isolating water. Do it now so you work safely. Once done, open the door and drain any trapped water into a basin. Towels protect the floor. Next, locate the retaining band. You will see either a spring clip or wire clamp around the rubber seal. Use a flat screwdriver to pry the clamp outward while you hold the seal steady with the other hand. This first removal motion releases the outer edge quickly and cleanly. Once the outer clamp is off, tuck your fingers behind the boot and peel the rubber away from the drum rim. Work around the circle in small sections to avoid tearing. If the inner lip is held by screws or a second clamp, remove these with a screwdriver or pliers, supporting the boot as you go. Make sure to note the seal orientation and where each fastener came from. Accurate reassembly depends on preserving the original alignment and fastener order. After freeing the inner lip, gently pull the boot away from the door frame while feeding any drainage or sensor hoses through the opening. Pause if you feel resistance and double-check for hidden clips. Once free, lay the seal flat and inspect both it and the drum mounting channel for debris or damage. Clean the channel before fitting a new seal. If the seal won't budge, apply a silicone-safe lubricant and wait a few minutes rather than cutting. You might otherwise nick wiring or the tub.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.